Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will cover declarative statement or assertive sentences. So we'll be starting with the kinds of sentences today, and the kinds of sentences will begin according to the mode of expression. So if you are new here, you can check out the playlist of sentences in English language. So there I have arranged in a proper sequence, so that will be more beneficial to you. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. What are declarative sentences? First of all, declarative sentences are also known as assertive sentences or statements. In English grammar, a declarative sentence makes a statement, provides a fact, offers an explanation, or conveys an information. So, in simple words, a declarative sentence, as the name suggests, declares something. So, this sentence simply makes a statement or it states a fact, and a declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a statement. Makes a statement means it makes a clear and confident fact. Okay, it provides a fact, it provides a truth, and it offers to give an explanation and provides us a clear information. If you have a look at this example, Rahman is an English teacher. My mother likes dogs. Next is Tim practices poetry recitation every day. So all these sentences provides us information about something. How is a declarative sentence written? So we will discuss the sentence structure here, how we can design a declarative sentence, what all should be included. It contains a subject and a predicate typically. So subject plus predicate will be the sentence structure of a declarative sentence. Subject is the doer of an action, a noun or a pronoun, whereas predicate includes action as well as objects, complements, modifiers, adverbials, etc. I have made a separate video on each of them. You can check that in the playlist of sentences in English language. Have a look at this example here. Numra walks the beach. Numra walks the beach. So here, who is doing the action? Numra. And what action she is doing? She is walking on the beach, or she walks the beach. So therefore that would be the predicate. After knowing that a declarative sentence is typically structured into subject and predicate, now there are two important points that should be taken care of while constructing a declarative sentence. The first one is it is usually written in present tense. So therefore we usually write, like most of the time, a declarative or an assertive or a statement sentence is written in which tense? It is written in a present tense. The next talks about the punctuation. Okay, so how we will punctuate a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence ends up with full stop or a period. For those who don't know, full stop is the other name for period, right? So therefore here there are 2 points. It is written in present tense and the punctuation is full stop. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Thank you so much for watching. The next part of declarative sentences will be coming up soon on my channel. So until then, keep learning and keep growing.